Struggling with mannequin lash placement? If your practice lashes keep slipping, looking uneven, this video will change your training game. Properly attaching practice lashes is a crucial step for every beginner lash artist. It helps you practice with positions, build muscle memory, and improve your speed so you can work confidently on your real clients. Hi Lash Babes! Welcome back to Killer Lash official channels. I'm Monica. I'm here to help you master your craft. So now let's dive in. Before you begin practicing lash extensions, you need to attach full lashes to your mannequin's eyes. There are two main methods to do this. Method 1. Cut the lash strip into smaller sections for easier applications like this. Method 2. Remove the entire lash strip from the tray and place it directly onto the mannequin's eyelid. Like this. Let's go through each step by step. First, position your mannequin head so it faces you directly. Next, take a small section of full lash strips and place it on the mannequin's eyelid. Like that, yes. Then use a micro tape or paper tape or anything else to secure the lashes in place. There is a pro tip here: always tape down 4 corners to keep the lash strip from shifting while practicing. Okay, so repeat the process for the other eyes so both eyes are ready for lash applications. Once the lashes are secure, it's time to map out the style before starting the applications. Some people ask me, why is lash mapping so important? They can do it without a lash map because every eye shape requires a different lash designs. Lash mappings help you control the lash length and placement, ensuring a balanced and symmetrical look, especially benefit for the beginners. So let's do the lash maps step by step. First, use a fine tip marker to draw lash guidelines directly onto the micro tape. Next, sketch different lash styles depending on your preference. For example, for the double eye, longer lashes in the centers, cat eye gradually longer toward the outer corners. Label each section with the corresponding lash lengths. For the inner corners, from 7 to 9 millimeters.
for middle sections from 10 to 12 millimeter, for the outer corners from 13 to 14 millimeters. There is a pro tip here. If you are new to lash mapping, follow common lash design to get a better understanding of placement and styling. In this method, instead of cutting the lash strip, you will apply the entire lash strip directly onto the mannequin's eyelid. And here's some steps to apply full lash strip. Carefully remove the entire lash strip from the tray using tweezers or your hand. Place the lash strips along mannequin's eyelid. Follow the natural lash line. Press down gently to secure it in place. Use additional tape if needed. There is a tip here for you guys. Make sure the lash strip is straight and even on both eyes. If it shifts or curls up, adjust it with tweezer for a better fit.
Alright, Eyelash babes, I really hope you found these tutorials helpful and that you learned something new today and broken down everything so it's easier for you to apply this tip to your own practice. If you have any questions or want to see more in-depth tutorials or on any techniques, drop a comment down below and I would love to hear what you want to learn next. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you never miss out on any more lash tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to see you in the next one.